that I cannot just hide. Whoa, 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 yeah.
What's good, YouTube? I am back. Sorry for the delay, but I am back. I know y'all see what I've been doing, and I hope y'all seen it already on my Instagram if you already haven't seen it. But I'm back, and we have another shoe video review for you. You already know I love doing these shoe videos for y'all. This is a shoe that I low-key been wanting, and I'm glad it got sent to me. Thank you to Shoebar.ru. I did do a video with them 2-3 shoots ago. There was the white cements, or what they're called, the navy ones. But now we have another shoe. But before we get into the shoe, before I even get into the shoe, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the post notifications bell, like and comment, do everything that you need to do, because we on the road to 100. I mean, not 100K. We still on the road to 100K, but we on the road to 1K. We at 800. We just hit 800, which I'm so happy, and I'm thankful for all the supporters I have. But we on the road to 1K. Anyways, without further ado, here goes another shoe from Shoebar.ru. Like always, the code is Tyler15. I'll put the code somewhere on here. But yeah, it's $15 off. Without further ado, bow. Wait, before I start, shop the brand. Shop the brand. If you already haven't shopped the brand, make sure you go shop the brand. It will be in the description below. You really can't see the back, but yeah. Simplistic Worldwide. If you haven't already been on there, what are you doing? Exactly. Anyways, back to the shoe. This is the box. If you already seen the thumbnail, you already know what shoe it is, but yes, it's the Jordan 11s, what are they called again? I forgot the name. Oh, the Gratitude. No, that's not it. 1 second, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna be better for y'all. I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna try to be better. I was right. Stop playing with me. The Gratitude 11s, that's what they're called. This is the box. Boom, it has a 23. I hope it said 23. Yeah, 23. Boom, open the box. I love how it has a little, I don't even know what this says. I really don't even know what it says, but that really don't matter. We're ready to hear about the shoe. Oh, wrong way. Like, look at the shoe. It's an all white and black shoe. Like, you can never go wrong with all white and black. Like, boom, just like this. Y'all, if y'all didn't know, 11s are my favorite Jordans. They're literally on top. I don't care. I don't care how many designs they have. 11s will always be my favorite shoe ever Jordan. Like, I have the cherry red 11s, the gem red 11s, the Jubilee 11s. I think they're all black, and I feel like I have something else, but it don't matter. But yeah, these are tough, y'all. Y'all, look at how tough these look. It's shiny. They look great. Like, look at the Jordan sign. Look at the 23. I didn't even know it was printed on. It's not how it's like plastic. No, it's like you can feel it. You can feel it. This is tough. Like, get into the shoe, y'all. This is good quality. Like, of course, I'm gonna show y'all always good quality. Look at the bottom. I like you want to get protectors because this is really light. It's a light sole at the bottom, but I tried these on already. I've been wanting to wear these for a fit, but I'm like, I need to make this video before I even try and wear this with a fit. Oh, this is the inside. It's not the inside looks. This is the tag. Inside, I have a little stuff in it. This size 10.5, which is a 44, I think, or a 45. I don't know. I'll make sure and put that in the description too, in case y'all want to get it. Front view, like from the top. It's overall, it's a good quality shoe. Like, when I feel it, it feels very sturdy. It feels very good. Like, when I tell you I can't wait to put a fit on with this, like, I cannot wait to put a fit on with this. But let me get the other shoe. Again, they are from Shoebar.ru. I did do another video with them before on another shoe, the 3s. Like, you can't go wrong with an all white and black shoe, y'all. They're easy to put on. You can put this on with anything. I already have a fit coming up soon with these. Like, come on. I'll probably be dropping with these soon. Yeah, this is the shoe. Top tier quality, insane quality. Like I said, when it's time to ball on a budget correctly and ball on a budget right. But without further ado, Shoebar.ru, make sure you'll cop from, make sure you use my discount code on the screen somewhere, and yeah, get the shoe. cop the shoe. Cause we finna get fly together. Of course I'm gonna put y'all on the freak. But my name is Tyler. Of course I'm gonna review shoes. Without further ado, love y'all. See y'all in the next shoe review video. Let me know what shoes y'all want to see me review some more, because like I said, I do be getting some shoes now, so just let me know and I will make sure I request those shoes. But anyways, love y'all. See y'all in the next video and peace out. T-Money out.
Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause